Welcome to Windsor Hyundai. Here is another one of our great vehicles for sale. This 2025 Hyundai Tucson comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, remote start, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, blind spot detection, rear view camera and forward collision warning. Here at Windsor Hyundai, it is our mission to be the automotive home of drivers in the Windsor area. We provide a vast selection of new and used vehicles, exceptional car care, and customer service with a smile. Our showroom has the newest model of Hyundai vehicles, and we also hold a great stock of used vehicles as well. Our finance center can help you out with providing a loan rate and approved car financing, regardless of your type of credit. Once you purchase from us, our highly qualified technicians will provide top-of-the-line service in a timely manner. Come and visit us today at 1620 Sylvestra Drive, in Windsor, Ontario.